Today we'll talk about how can you enable level notifications or level up notifications on your Plato app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above your photo profile, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to your profile here. Then all you have to do now, so you just go here above this sign, you click on it. When just clicking this sign, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on notifications, click on it here. Then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do, just come here to level up, just clicking this sign. Then like you see here, this color for us, that's main level up notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.